Simplify 4 over the square root of 5. This process is going to be called rationalizing the denominator. There's a stupid rule in math that says you're not allowed to have square roots in the denominator. It's a stupid rule because it's stupid and it's really not necessary, but you still have to learn how to do it anyway. Now, how do I get rid of a square root? Well, normally you would square it, but I can't just square the top and the bottom. That's against the rules. What I can do, though, is if all I have in the denominator is the square root of a number, I can multiply the top and the bottom by that same exact thing. Now, what that does to the top is 4 times the square root of 5 is still 4 times the square root of 5. I don't care what the numerator looks like. What happens in the denominator is the square root of 5 times the square root of 5 has me multiplying inside the square roots and leaving me with the square root of 25. Why is that good news? Because the square root of 25 is 5. And now I don't have a square root in the denominator anymore. So rationalizing the denominator is the process where if I have just a square root in the denominator, multiply the top and the bottom by that exact same thing, they will eventually, the square roots essentially cancel each other out, because what you're doing is you're squaring this by multiplying it to itself, and you're left with no more square root in the denominator. Isn't that fun?